Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, we're in the kitchen. If things are a little different in the lighting department is because I don't have my ring light here and I'm not opening those curtains because a lot of people keep walking by and I don't want people looking in, okay? I'm just I don't know why, I just don't. Okay, so what are we doing today? We are trying to work on my freezer drawer. My freezer drawer not only is a mess, but it is filthy. We're not touching the fridge today. The fridge isn't too bad. I clean a shelf here and there every now and then. I'm already exhausted and winded from thinking about doing the freezer drawer. Oh, that's a good start. Great start. Okay. I really don't want to do this, but it's got to be done. It really has to be done. It's a mess. Okay, so let's see if I can settle you down properly and show you how awful this is. Yeah, you see that? Kind of gross, eh? Now the first thing is to make sure that you're there. Okay. Now, I have to empty everything out for sure. And while I'm cleaning in here, everything that's going to go in the garbage is going to go on the other side. Everything that's going to go back will go there. And I have containers to put stuff in. Fortunately, I have another freezer, so while I'm cleaning it, which I'm not going to put you guys through, even fast forwarding. See, every time my hubby comes home with groceries, I try to put them in the other freezer, but he always throws everything in here, so now it's a disaster. I've got a burrito. I didn't realize I still had a burrito. Okay, smoked salmon. So much awful crap. Gluten-free waffles. Yes, they are waffles. That's gonna go. That doesn't need to stay in there. Oh, this is embarrassing how gross it is in here. It really is. But this is my life. It's a lot easier to clean the fridge than it is the freezer. This is half full. It can thaw out in the sink. I don't want it to thaw out. This can go too. It's almost empty. Okay. I'm pooped. I am pooped already. And I haven't cleaned anything yet. And I haven't put anything in the other freezer yet. And that's going to involve a lot of walking. Oh, this I'm keeping. This, I'll be back. This is precious. The utility room has an upright freezer, but it'd be full. It'd be full. And my counter is running out of space. Alright, so I'm going to close that a bit. I can't stop yet. This is what happens to me because I'm sick. Yeah, I'm not doing my exercise machine today. Now I got to put all this in the other freezer. So I'm going to be walking for at least a mile. I'll wash the freezer as well. I shall return. Hey, yes, I'm out of breath. Still out of breath. And this is after having taken a break. But I wanted to show you this. Okay, let's go down. Whoops. There. Look at that. Look at that. Whoops. Can you guys see that? Here, that's better. Done and done and done. It was beeping on me. Actually, funny enough, the vacuum cleaner, if you can see it over there, managed to take off a lot more than I expected. So that helped quite a bit. But now I need another break because I'm gonna fall down. Hips hurt. And then I have to put not everything back. I think some things are going to end up in Ziploc bags because I've got a whole drawer full of Ziploc bags that I reuse for my bread, for my waffles, for my stuff like that, because there's no reason to waste them. They're still clean. I'm just putting stuff in there just to keep them safe from freezer burn and whatnot. So I think some stuff is going to go in places like that. And you'll get to see more. See you soon. I'm back. Day 2. I brought everything out onto the counter that I think is going to go back in the freezer. I'm already winded. And I didn't do my makeup today because I'm getting a rash. I've got a rash on my neck. Like, what the bleep? I haven't had a rash in I don't even know how long. Somebody come help me. I need it. Oh, I think I forgot a light. Hold on a sec. This one's more for ambience than lighting, but hey, light is... Oh, it did make a difference. Alright, let's see if we can see the freezer. Yep, my hubby did something alright. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Let's see. I have a bad habit of... Okay. I don't even know what I'm going to start with. I don't even know how I'm setting this up yet. I haven't done any trials, and that doesn't fit this one. So it's going to have to fit one here, and there's room in the back. This, may as well start with this, is going to go right here because those are yummy. If this will fit. Ooh, okay. That can go all the way to the back. Yeah, that's my stuff. That's my yummy stuff. And I've got hash browns here. And I got a lot of... Yeah, hubby's the one who cooks. But look at that. Am I done? See, yeah, mine is tight because I put this one, actually, there's one, and the other one can go on top. I just didn't like it with the vegetables. I'm back. Okay, so my bags are going to go back into my drawer. See, I've got a lettuce bag, I've got cheese wrap and whatnot. And this is going to go in the garbage, which is under the sink right here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not pulling you out. That's fine. And then these are going to go back into storage. But this is a little, and I have to clean up. But this is a bit of a funny thing. It's a little narrow here, sorry. These things. Hubby and I don't know, since Christmas I think it is, we've been collecting them around the fruit basket. That's only, well, there's a few of mine, not too many, but yeah, this is all his. So we've been having a bit of fun. It's not out now because we're not eating any fruits right now. Well, that's a lie. That's a lie. Hold on. We're eating fruits. Yeah, see, I still have a bit of work to do in here. That drawer that's my drawer. And it just needs a bit of work. And that reminds me, I need to put something in the freezer for my hubby so that he's got lots of Diet Pepsi when he gets home from a hot day at work. Did it. I did it. I don't know if he's going to be happy with it because he cooks, but he asked me to do it and I did it. And you guys get to see me as stripped down as I get with a rash. It's calmed down a bit because earlier I was scratching it, not knowing I had a rash, and then I went into the bathroom and looked in the mirror, because usually I go in the bathroom and not even bother to look in the mirror. Especially when I don't have makeup on. If I have makeup on and I have to go to pee, I'm like, especially when I'm washing my hands, I'll, you know, look at my face while I'm rubbing my hands. I get vain. Only if there's a mirror around though. I don't seek out the mirror. So there we go. As I finish babbling, the hardest part for me was the back and forth and the bending. Doing it is not hard. It's just my body doesn't want to move anymore. It just won't. And I didn't take any extra meds before I did this like I did yesterday. So there we go. I won't keep talking your ear off as much as I could because I have a story in my head that I want to tell you guys, but I was going to do it putting makeup on today, but I just don't feel well enough. I managed to do this. This is awesome. I'm thrilled. My husband's going to go, yeah, okay, good job. If he says that. If he brings me dinner in the bedroom, I'll know he's thrilled with it. How hubbies show love. Boy, could I write you a book. I could really write you a book. They don't show love the way we do. They show love their own way. And my hubby, when he says, I'm buying something off Amazon. You've got X amount of dollars. Go ahead. Yeah, that's him showing me love. When he brings me a burger when I'm doing stuff sitting on my bed, that's him showing me love. Oh, thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Little different video than usual. It was the kick in the butt I needed to get my freezer cleaned out and cleaned, and I needed that. The incentive, that's the word I was looking for. You guys were the incentive for me to clean out the freezer and organize it better, and hopefully my hubby will keep it that way. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. À bientôt.